Hello, and welcome to Kongogumi Incorporated and Federal Financial Law Group Timeshare News. My name is Lawrence Edelson, Director of Client Services with the latest information in the timeshare exit industry. Due to mostly economic and travel restriction reasons, owners are asking why the resort developers are not taking back the members' timeshares. The reason is the developer can still collect maintenance and assessment fees. You would think that the developer could resell the units and make more profit. Well, they do, and this leads to a double dip. And by the way, maintenance and assessment fees are in perpetuity. That means forever. Resort profits are way off, so they are employing every high-pressure tactic to sell unsuspecting potential clients to rebolster their lost revenues. They collect maintenance fees whether you use the unit or not. They use, quote, owner update, unquote, meetings to present misrepresentations that adding more to your ownership, higher maintenance fees, is the solution to any issues or problems you have. The truth is, timeshares on the resale market are valueless. By the way, your heirs will inherit the maintenance and assessment fees, which will lead to a growing financial burden, and those fees continue to escalate over time. Timeshare Lawyers Incorporated, in association with Federal Financial Law Group, is the premier law firm that has successfully handled 12,000 timeshare divestment resolution cases. We are not a middleman broker. You will deal directly with this law firm, saving thousands in middleman profit. For a free consultation and to see if your vacation ownership even qualifies for divestment or exit, call us toll-free at 877-557-9669. That's 877-557-9669 and speak with one of our very highly qualified representatives.